So I entered into a national coding competition and now I have to relearn Java. So yeah, I'm in a TSA coding competition, TSA Technology Student Association, I think. Anyway, yeah, I'm trying to win this national competition, trying to really get up there. The only issue is I haven't used Java in Sorry, I just had to play the intro. It was like necessary by law. Anyway, I need to practice for this coding competition. I need to relearn Java. I haven't used it in a minute. So I got on LeetCode thinking that this would be easy. Okay, so yeah, I got on LeetCode and I clicked on some random problem. This one, the longest palindromic substring. Yeah, this had me sitting there for hours. Just so you know, I did not finish it, but I might in the future. I'm gonna have to in the future. Anyway, I had no idea what to do. You can see me in the background. This is sped up a lot, so you can imagine how much time it took me to finish. Not to finish, but to attempt this. Right here, I'll just explain what my thought process was. It's very bad. I think at the start, I was just thinking, like, imagine these are arrays. This would be I would make two arrays of the words, and I would just like compare them to each other. But I quickly realized I did not know how to do that. Anyway, so what I what my last concept was, and what would work to finish it, I think, is you would essentially take the string and you'd select the first letter, right? And then you would add, or you would check that letter in the loop, put it in, and then that would work. And then you would check again a second loop, and you would like have both of these letters now be A, B. And then you would check if it says the same thing backwards, and it would fail. And then it would just keep going. It would do it would do A, B, C. See if that's the same as C, B, A, and not. So cross it out, and you're done. Then you would, instead of starting from A, you would start at B. So there'd be like two loops, if you ever know that, like a loop inside of a loop. If I had done that, I think I won. I would have got it right. I just did not have the time like that. Anyway, and then you go to B, it would be BC and CB, not the same, so it would not work. And I think that's the only combination of that. But you can see with I think it what was the word that it gave me? I don't know. Anyway, like something like this. The longest one would be Bob, I believe. Yeah, Bob. So it would check if this should be, and that would go through. And then it would check BO, and that wouldn't work. So it would skip that. And then it would check BOB, and be like, yeah, that's good. So then it would save it to like, imagine this is an asset. It would save Bob here. And it would keep going. It'd be like BOBO. And no, and like none of the rest would be working. And then we go to this one, and it would say this, no. This, it would actually say yes, but it's the same in length. It'd be like, this is 3, and this is 3. So because it's not, we ignore the second one. I'm just gonna keep the first one. And if I had done it like this, it would have worked. I don't know if I explained that well, but I explained it. Okay, so this is the reverse code. So basically, I made a method that would take one of the strings and then just reverse it in order. I guess I can explain this part. So you see, that was going to be output array or output string. Then you have that string split down using the split method, splits it character by character. Then you go through the array and have the last index be the first index, if that makes sense. Plug it into a different array. Oh, ignore the dog. And then print out that new string that you got. And then here is the code for everything else. Damn, this resolution is bad. Anyway, thanks for watching. Bye.